Hi everyone, so welcome to my bag unboxing. I already opened the bag without actually switching the camera on, which is very sad because I was so excited to show you guys. I just received my Myntra package and unfortunately the camera was not on, but nonetheless I'm going to show you the bag that I got. So I was in need of a small bag, a small petite bag that can hold my essentials. So I got this bag. This is what it looks like, guys. The only reason that I got it is because it's very quirky and fun with this really beautiful, thread heart thing over here. It came in 3 different colors. There was white and a red and this one. And teal stood out to me just for some reason. I am liking this color a lot. It's very pretty and it's beautiful. If I give you a close-up, the quality is absolutely stunning. And it comes with this kind of a sling. So it has parts of, the faux leather material and this silver metallic thing in the chain, and then inside of it comes with a dust bag, which is good because it is always easier to store your bag in a dust bag. I love the space part of it because this is exactly the kind of space that I wanted. I would have loved it if it had a zipper, but nonetheless it's a good bag anyway. It's a small size bag. It's very tiny, but it's going to fit in everything maybe. So guys, let's quickly see what all this bag can hold. Of course, we all carry a phone, so you can keep your phone. I'm keeping a power bank because my phone is not with me right now. So one phone, the house keys. Okay, my house keys are actually very big and chunky. I always carry a lip balm. That is an essential. A lipstick, a chashma, just in case, or maybe a sunglass. I think this is the amount of stuff that you can roughly kind of dump inside the bag comfortably. But if I want, I can maybe squeeze in a compact powder and a small little handy dandy brush. It was actually a bigger brush, but iska handle toot gaya. So I just keep it in my bag. Or you can also carry a powder puff or something, and then you can comfortably close it. Obviously, on a day-to-day basis, I will not be carrying so much stuff. Like I will not be carrying the compact powder and the brush, but rest of the things, of course, I'll be carrying. And this card slot is very convenient. I can keep my cash, little cash, maybe a card or something. And generally these days we use the phone for payments and all, so that's not a big of deal. So yeah, this is the amount of stuff that goes inside of this bag. So this to me feels like a very convenient utility bag for every day. I love the color of it. And originally this bag is for 3,299 and I got it for 1,047 rupees on Myntra on sale, and I think it is totally worth it. I generally wear blacks and whites and nude colors, so I'm sure that this is going to make my boring outfits kind of really pop with this green or teal green bag. That is my new bag from Benetton that I've got from Myntra. So thank you for watching. Bye guys.